Okay, so we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a faucet, and this was purchased straight out of Lowe's by the homeowner. This is the fixture, and I don't know how you say it, Tegly, whatever it is. Soap dispenser came with it, and then a single hole mount. It does have a matching 3-hole plate with it, and we left that with the homeowner as well as the documentation and the tool to remove the nut that mounts the faucet. Underneath here, all we've done is just connected everything back to the existing shutoff valve. So on the right, that was changed at some point. Don't know who, don't know why. It's a quarter-turn shutoff valve, and those are great, so that one's in good shape. This one over here is original to home. It is functional. It's a little hard to operate, but it's functional and it's not dripping, so that's good. Both of the hot and cold supply lines are integrated into the faucet, so there's no extra, points of connection you need to look for back there. Everything's good in here. So garbage disposal looks relatively new. Everything down here looks good with the exception of, it looks like the bottom of the cabinet has failed at some point. They went ahead and got some lino down in here, the squares, the sticky back, the 12x12s, but it looks at one point there was a lot of water damage there and it is sunken in. So just be mindful of this, monitor that, and it's going to be by smell. You're going to have to make sure that it doesn't start getting musky in here and smelly, because it is particle board, just glue and sawdust sitting in there. Same as the sidewall, you can put a fan on that and get that to dry out pretty good. I don't know what this side looks like. It looks like it's got some of the more sticky back tile in there. So you get a fan going in here and get it blown out. If you find that it, it seems like something's not smelling right in here, you might have to pull up the bottom there and try and get it dried out, or worst case, replace the bottom of the cabinet. And that's out of our scopes, outside of our scope of work. But everything in the house in here looks good. Faucet looks good. Mounts real nice. It's a good mounting system, and it's a quality product. Pfister makes limited lifetime warranty faucets, so anything goes wrong with this, that cartridge starts to fail, you have a problem with hot to cold or low flow, or it starts dripping and won't shut off, you give Pfister a holler, and they just send it out to you. 7 to 10 days later, you got a new cartridge. Finish goes bad, they'll replace something. Up to and including the entire faucet they'll replace. So great faucet. Outside of that, this installation is done.